Okay, so I think I'm gonna cut them into 2 videos. So I'll just show that later. So yeah, this is the demo. I got Yuto. Makes me very happy. He was my first bias. My bias is Yaman. But yeah. Okay, so let's just open this. Oh, I should probably take out the Pentagon poster. Oh, okay, hold on. We'll open that last. So. Okay, so I've known him since he was on Mix and Match. And so the fact that he went to Pentagon just makes me really happy because I actually know him. And that's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, wait, no, stop. Where is it? Oh. Oh my god, baby. So cute. Oh, Edon. He's another one of my biases. Okay, so Edon, yes. He was another one of my biases. He's probably my favorite rapper in the group. Even though Yuto was my first bias. No, it just makes sense. Oh, I got another one of Homesick. I'm really bad at pronouncing names, so I'm sorry. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm happy. Even though I didn't get Yanan, I'm happy. I got 2 of my past biases. They look so good. Oh my god. I've seen an unboxing one, so this is not a surprise to me. So I've seen the Violet, the Runaway, when the Runaway with the bit emojis or whatever. And so now when I see Hugh, I honestly think of a chicken. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm sure you guys have seen other unboxing videos, so I won't take too long since it's kind of an old album. You know, this has been pretty old. But yeah, oh, Yuto looks so good. Look at him, he's so tan. Honestly, I think Runaway was my favorite comeback, and All Right's my favorite song on the album. Oh, I should have put Pentagon on, not my random playlist. But, oh, they look so good in that one. Oh. So Yuto, Kino, and Woosak were all 98 babies. I am too. And so it just makes me very happy that I finally have people, idols that are the same year as me. Oh my god. Okay, I don't remember seeing this from the unboxing video that I watched. Oh my god, this looks really cool. Oh my god. Okay, I did not watch this half of the album. I'm just so glad I didn't. It looks really good. Oh my god. This takes skills. Okay, not really. I mean, it's kind of easy to do it. Whoa, he looks very intimidating. Oh, he looks like a baby. Yawan. Yawan is definitely visuals of the group. Oh, it's my baby. Yana. Yes, both my biases. His leg kind of looks smaller than his top. Oh, Woosak and Kino look so good. I think they did this by age. No, yeah, maybe. I wasn't really paying attention to the order. That's so cute. It's so cute. Aww. Yes! Okay, this is really cute. I'm very pleased. I'm so glad that I only watched the first half, not the second one, because now I'm happy. And then I got my Edom little signature. I got Yuto. I think this is from Choice LA, like an extra. But I got Yuto and then Hooksuck. Yes, I really like this. Okay, and so, I kind of want to show the poster, but I don't want to give away what I got from Day 6. Because it's, both of the posters are in it. So, let's see if I can pull it up without exposing. I don't think I can. I already saw Young Kids. Okay, so that's going to be the end to the Runaway Demo 2 unboxing, and it's what I got. I got it from Choice LA and stuff. And so, yeah. If I do, I don't remember if I got a Pentagon poster, but if I do, then it's going to be shown in my Day 6 unboxing video. Just so you know. Alright, I guess that'll be it. Bye. See y'all later.